Hello everyone. In today's quality management class, we are going to discuss about the control chart and today we will see the types of the control charts. So the control charts are mainly two types. One is the control charts for variables and another is the control charts for attributes. So the in the control chart for variable, a quality characteristic that are measurable on a numerical scale. For example of variables include length, thickness, diameter, and temperature, viscosity, and waiting time for service, etc. Now the control chart for attributes. An attribute is a quality characteristic for which a numerical value is not specified. It is measured on a nominal scale, that is, it does or does not meet certain guidelines, or it is categorized according to a scheme of labels. For example, the taste of a certain dish is labeled as acceptable or unacceptable, or it is categorized as exceptional, good, fair, or the poor. So the control charts based upon measurement of quality characteristics are called control chart for variable. And the most commonly used variable control charts are X bar or average charts, R or range chart, and third is the S or standard deviation chart. The X bar chart is used to monitor the centering of the process to control its accuracy, and the R chart monitors the precision of the process, and the S or standard deviation chart shows the variation of the process. Now the control chart for attributes. The control chart for attributes monitor the number of defects or fraction defects rate present in the sample. Now these are the types of the attribute control charts. The first is the P chart, second NP chart, then C chart and U chart. Now the P chart is for fraction rejected as non-conforming to specification, and NP chart, uh, it is the control chart for number of non-conforming items. Now the C chart is for the number of non-conformities, and now the U chart is for the number of non-conformities per unit.